The victim who shared this police body cam video with us, he is suing the town of Payson, the police department, and the officer. This all went down in June of last year, but he says the pain and resentment still lingers.
Show me your hands, you're gonna get bit by the dog, mother.
This body cam video shows the moments before a Payson police K-9 went after the wrong guy. The handler gave out commands, but the dog named Corso seemed confused and ignored the suspect, attacking a bystander instead. This happened in June 2023, right in front of Joseph Terborg's home and business. Police told us in a statement last year, someone crashed into a power pole and the driver, who they believe was impaired, was not cooperating. Joseph came outside to see what the commotion was about. That's when an officer deployed Corso, who diverted course and ran toward Joseph, fighting him in his front yard.
Well, how about you don't approach a traffic stop? I need to get his information.
1 year later, he's still traumatized.
He treated pretty good. He went from my elbow all the way down to my wrist. 58 puncture wounds, stitches, and a few things like that.
Joseph says he never got an apology for the mix-up.
The first thing I remember him saying is, "It's only a dog fight." We pulled it off, and that really hurt. You know, nobody called an ambulance for me.
He doesn't blame the dog, but says the police are responsible.
It's his fault. The dog had no clue who he was biting.
Now he's calling for accountability.
I think the dog needs more training, and I think the officer in charge of it, the handler, he definitely needs more understanding on how dogs react to his commands or something.
And he did file a lawsuit after this happened, but the case was recently dismissed. That's because of a typo where two different settlement amounts were listed on the notice of claim instead of just one. Joseph tells me he plans to appeal. We reached out to the town, but because of future pending litigation, they said they cannot comment. Live in studio, Michaela Marshall for Arizona's Family.